Hi!
Today we're gonna sing... Tonight we're gonna sing...
Kundi man.
Do you want me to speak in the English accent?
The Kanya is the language.
This is the Pelapono accent. Like, what the fuck?
Like the...
And this is the English accent. I don't know what this accent is, but it's so arty. And so we do not speak like that. Like, Ben. Okay? Tonight we're gonna sing. This is the halo. Tonight we're gonna sing. Bitch. We're gonna sing Kundi Man by Silent Sanctuary. SS. Bam. Here it goes.
Dai salt is so present.
Ganito. Okay, do you get it? Okay.
Okay, I
So
get
that,
it.
you know, the song will be nice. It's like, like, what the fuck?
Stop!
Okay.
You're making pahiya of me because I don't know this.
It's like you're making like,
Yes.
okay.
I know, right? Like,
One more time. Para kang asuhay, sinta mismong nagtahan. Para kang natura, buhay ko ikaw ang nagpinta. Para kang unay, pinapainit mo ang aking tiyan. Para kang ungon na mayakap sa tuwing ako'y
nalulungkot. Kaya, huwag nagtatanggap kung bakit ayaw kitang mawala.
Kung hindi man tayo
Ang dulo, huwag mong
kalimutan, hindi mo lang ako laging umaalalay. Hindi ako lalayo dahil ang tanging panalangin ko ay ikaw. Di balik maghapon pang ulan, basta't ikaw ang sasandalan. Iwalat na lumulubog na araw, kay sarap pagmasdan. Lalo na kapag nasisinagan ng iyong mukha. Ayoko nang magsawa, hindi magsasawa sa'yo.
Kaya't huwag nagtatanggap kung bakit ayaw kitang mawala.
Kung hindi man tayo ang dulo, huwag mong kalimutan. Dito lang ako laging umaalalay. Hindi ako lalayo dahil ang tanging panalangin ko ay ikaw.